Alright guys, I just bought this used 2017. It's an XCW, no headlight, but it's set up for a headlight. Whoever had it before me chose not to do that. The tyres are crap, the skid plate's crap. I'm going to put a motor-minded single starter on it. I'm going to put new tyres, rear moose. I'm also going to fix the chain guide. It's no good anymore. Needs a new set of brakes front and rear. I'm going to put on that molecule bash plate. There's my moose there. I'm doing an MX34 front and a IRC JX8 rear. And then I'm going to throw new graphics on it. It has an Electron carb, new rear shock, done by Kreft. Anyway, I'll show you the after. So I finished this one up, 2017 KTM XCW, no headlight. Cosmetically I put new covers on these Enduro Engineering handguards. Got a new whole throttle housing cable, domino cable down through. New Keenan carb, took the Electron off, didn't like it. Put new reed valves in it. Graphics kit, which is obvious. I did brake pads, wheel bearings, and then I had to bleed the entire brake system was mud, so it's all clean fluid now. Added electric fan, radiator fan, right there with a sensor. New front brake pads, the wheel bearings were good. New tires, it's a VX30 front and the JX8 rear. I had to drain the whole clutch system and put new clutch fluid in, which took me a while. I had to reverse flush it. Brand new O-ring chain. I actually think it's an X-ring chain, but whatever. There's the Keenan carb. Obviously I had to put the new V-Force 4 F reeds in it. I did a molecule bash plate on the bike, and I think that's about it. Drained all the fuel out, put clean fuel in it, rerouted all these cables, got everything looking good. There it is. Oh, and the bulletproof design, I had to put a whole new chain guide, so I went ahead and put the bulletproof design lug guard on while I was at it. Anyway, she's looking good, ready to ride. The power valve needs adjusting. I gotta call my buddy Jake and figure out how to do that. It is very twitchy. Some people might say I have a problem. The 20 Sherco 300 trials. That's a 22 FE 350S, non-street legal now. Well, it's still street legal, but I've desmogged it. It's a 24 TE 300, a 17 XCW 250, a 15 XCFW 350, and a KTM 890. And then the girls have a couple of bikes. We got an EX5, a TTR 50, and their Can-Am 110. There is your shop tour.